Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today's video I'm gonna give you some tips and tricks on how to get healthy relaxed hair. So I always get like many questions in my DM asking like, Peggy, what should I do to my hair to make it healthy? So I'm gonna give you some tricks and tips for that. So tip number one is to not over process your relaxer. So what is over processed relaxer? Over processed hair, that's when you put your relaxer on for like way too long and that actually cause damage to your hair. The relaxer, as we all know, is a chemical, so it's not healthy for your hair, but the longer you put it on, like the longer it's gonna damage your hair. So if you do your relaxer at home, you really want to follow the instruction because they actually give like the amount of time that you're supposed to leave the relaxer on, and you should always follow the time that they give. So if you put it on like way longer than that, it's gonna over process your hair. And the thing is, you cannot over process the hair. Like you cannot correct over processed hair. You can correct under processed hair but not over processed hair. So yeah, even though you put like all the moisture that you want to your hair, if it's damaged, like you won't be able to get it healthy again. So be very careful with that. So yeah, follow the time that it gives on the box, on the relaxer box. So yeah, don't make like we used to do back in the days, like we want to keep like the relaxer the longer so that the hair can be like the straightest like possible, like bone straight really. Don't do that mistake. Like even I don't keep my relaxer for too long, but I still give like straight results. So yeah, really follow the directions for that. Guys, I'm sorry I cannot talk today. Actually I can never talk, like, but today is like an exception. Like see. So yeah, as I was saying, I don't want over processed hair and you don't want over processed hair. That's not good. As I said, it's gonna cause damage and you cannot reverse that. So take that in note. Take that in note. So one trick that I can give you, if you're doing your relaxer yourself or if someone else is applying your relaxer and it is quite slow, you can mix your relaxer with olive oil, with any oil I think, but olive oil is very the best because it's actually gonna moisturize your hair at the same time that you're applying the relaxer, but it's also gonna diminish the effect of the relaxer. So it's gonna take a little bit more time to process, so you're gonna get more time to apply the relaxer onto your hair. So that's good for that. So you're maybe not gonna get over processed hair with that, but you still have to work fast. So that's a trick for that. Another one that I use is I actually use a relaxer for kids. I use the Just For Me relaxer for kids. So my scalp is very sensitive and I found that adult relaxer, like normal relaxer, is actually too harsh on my scalp. So like my mom just applies a relaxer and it actually like feel like it's burning. So that's not good for me. So I prefer the relaxer for kids because, as I said, it's less harsh on the hair and on the scalp. In this particular brand, the Just For Me relaxer that I use, it comes for coarse hair and to regular hair. My hair is actually coarse, but I don't use that one just because it's a little bit more harsh than the regular one. So even though I have coarse hair and I'm an adult, I use kitty perms in regular. So that's the one that I use. So it's a little bit more gentle on my hair and it's not like processing my hair as much. So that's one thing that I really like. So if you found that adult perm doesn't work for you, try that and let me know how you feel about it. So another thing that you don't want to do when applying a relaxer, like the week before applying your relaxer, you don't want to scratch your scalp. You don't want to scratch it, because that actually gonna remove like the scalp, and it is gonna be like, I don't know how to say that, it's gonna be open, your scalp. But when you scratch it, you actually like remove layers of scalp on your head, and when you're gonna apply the relaxer on top of that, it's gonna burn like a lot, and you're actually gonna get burnt on your scalp after your relaxer, so that's really not good. If you get like too much burn, maybe you're not gonna support the relaxer as much on your hair, so yeah, your hair could actually be like under processed at this time. So yeah, you really don't want to scratch like your scalp the week before applying your relaxer. Yeah, another tip that I can give you is you don't want to apply your relaxer on clean hair. You actually want to wait like minimum a week before applying, after applying your relaxer. So I did do how my mom applied my relaxer video on my YouTube channel, and I got like messages from people saying, oh wow, your video really helped me, because I was applying like my relaxer all over my hair, not only on the new growth. And I couldn't like really understand it, because your hair is actually relaxed, it's just the new growth that grow from your scalp that it's not relaxed. So that you just want to apply your relaxer on your new growth. I thought that it was obvious, but some people told me that they didn't do that, like they were applying it everywhere every time. So don't do that, guys. Now don't do that. Only apply your relaxer on your new growth. So if you want, you can watch that video that I made with my mom applying my relaxer on my hair. It's gonna be like somewhere on the screen. Then another tip that I can give you is to not stretch your relaxers for too long. I actually apply my relaxer every 3 months, because that's the amount of time that is good for my hair, because that's the time that I have enough new growth to relax, and not too much to the point where I want to detangle it caused breakage because of the tooth texture, like to the point where it was meeting like the natural hair and the relaxed hair. Like this point here was always like breaking. So for me, 3 months is the perfect time. So I know lots of people that can stretch your relaxer. Stretching your relaxer doesn't mean that your hair is actually gonna be healthier or thicker or anything else. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this quick video of tips and tricks to get healthy relaxed hair. Leave in the comments your tips and tricks to get healthy relaxed hair, so that we can all help each other. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to watch one of the videos that I posted before, and bye guys.